huge. Hold on, we gotta put this right up to it.
There you go.
We gotta put this on the
Whoa, he's gigantic.
He's getting bigger. He's getting bigger.
Whoa.
And there's only 20 seconds left. 20, 19, 18.
Jeez, he's a giant
He's like
peep.
almost a
And then just, and then at
Look
the
at the
end,
middle of him.
just let him sit. Ew!
No, he doesn't.
7, 6, 5, ew, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. Oh, sticky.
Whoa, there he goes, back down.
And,
It'd be all
and,
sticky.
Look,
I
he's
want
shrinking
I want this
and
one.
shrinking.
And then just leave him so he hardens
Yeah, he's gonna harden up.
in 1 minute.
Wow, weird. All right, here you go.
I'm not gonna eat
Ooh,
this.
the plate is pretty warm.
Cooked up really good.
Look, there's
Oh, yeah,
his
this
guts.
side, I think
That's
we
his
got-
guts.
Ooh, that is his
Roasted.
guts.
It's his
It
guts.
smells like a campfire in here now.
That's his guts.
Wow.
Hey, people, that's his guts.
That's poor Peep.
I know.
He doesn't have any more
He's
eyes
all
left.
deformed. Yeah, his eyes shrank into his head.
Looks like a snake.
Ew, he does kind of look like a snake. Poor Peep.
Zoom into his eye. It's creepy.
Like that. Oh, weird.
Hate science.
Peep science. That's it, right there.